I wanted to show you the placemats that I made for Marianne for her birthday. I think that they turned out super cool for fall. They're reversible. So cute. So my beautiful placemats are all done. I don't know how I did it. I somehow snipped a little and I gotta fix it. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use this Nash Fuse It powder. I've done it before. Have my silicone sheet. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on here. And I wanna get it underneath. I actually think this is too much, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, that's all I'm gonna use. I'm gonna actually recycle this. Now I don't want any of the powder on my project, which you can see there still is. So I'm somehow gonna brush that off. Put this on top. I'm gonna have my iron preheated to the highest setting as it's suggested. I'm gonna turn this over because it seems like it wants to lay down this way. Hope for the best. Save my project, Nash. Fuse It powder, please. Please. Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm super happy with that. Now I can take some of my fabric ink and I think I'm gonna save this project. Do a little bit, I feel a little bit right there. So I love my all-purpose inks. When they're dry, they're permanent, so you can use them on fabric. That's the reason why I got them. This is a burnt orange, and I just want so very little on the tip. Just a little. And it's permanent after it dries. So I'm gonna let that dry. Can you see it? Can you see where I fixed it? I give Bo Nash a absolute thumbs up. It's right there. You can barely see. There's no way that anybody is going to know, and I'm not going to tell anybody. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together.